How do you say bless you in French? The phrase bless you in French is à vos souhaits, à vos souhaits. Literally, it means to your wishes, à vos souhaits. In the informal, you get à tes souhaits, à tes souhaits. For example, à tes souhaits, m'a dit Sophie quand j'ai éternué. À tes souhaits, m'a dit Sophie quand j'ai éternué. Bless you, said Sophie when I sneezed. There's also a tradition in French of saying different things depending on how many times somebody sneezes. The first sneeze is à tes souhaits, to your wishes. The second sneeze is à tes amours, which means to your loved ones. And then on the third sneeze, you say qu'ils durent toujours, which means may they last always, or may they last forever. À tes souhaits is also very often thought of as the phrase from which we get atishoo in French. À tes souhaits, atishoo. So if somebody sneezes in French to say bless you, you say à tes souhaits. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. The word souhait comes from the verb souhaiter, meaning to wish. If you break it down, sous is from sous, S-O-U-S, meaning under, and été is actually from the Frankish word étant, meaning order or promise. So souhaiter literally means under promise or under order. And if you wish for something, you're technically ordering it. So a wish is something that is under order in French.